Hey guys, today we're going to visit Abby and Bella's thrift store in Coates, North Carolina. I had never heard of this store, but man, what a nice, clean store this is. Probably. Put my phone in the deep. Let me get it right Now this was kind of cool. It was a game called Winston Cup NASCAR. Back in the 80s to the early 90s, they used to call NASCAR racing Winston Cup. Now it's just called NASCAR racing. Not quite like a thrift store around the house, is it?
Look, we got one of those.
Huh?
We got one of those.
Yep, sure do. Just like that. We have this exact same sign hanging in our kitchen. I had never seen another one since the one we got, but here it was, the same exact sign. Yeah, it's just distressed. Now, if you happen to be in the Coates, North Carolina area, I do recommend you visit this store. You'd be amazed at how clean and organized it was, and they had a lot of clothing and shoes that was almost brand new. It's well worth a visit. Yes, they are. Campbell University. Medium.
I think it needs at least a large.
I don't know what that means.
X with blue X.
Magellan for $8.
I think that's too small for him. I don't think it'll fit him anyway.
I like the cow.
Jacob asked me for a big cow picture.
Guys, I apologize about the background noise, but there was some really excited children in this store today.
50% off the blue X. Freaking neat. Laundry is in the basement of this house, and I don't go in the basement.
You don't go in basements? Big cow picture. Yeah, I know.
I do like that polo with the hooks on it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a what? That's a what?
She tried to do it because
There's a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of burgers. That looks like 31 too, to me.
It is.
Mm-hmm. Look at this colorful hat. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
I think you should get that hat. It looks great on you.
You think so? Is this 31 too? Is that it? Yeah, that's 31 too.
That's a nice size cooler for the beach.
Apparently somebody's got a lot of 31. What about these things?
That's 31.
$30. Vera Bradley, I guess. VB is what it says on it. More wallets, maybe? What was that?
I don't like wallets like that. I like ones that zip all the way around. If that comes open, all my cards fall out. I can't do it.
Chance they could come out of there. Look at this thing. What's that?
That's ugly as sin.
Cow. Yeah.
Oh, it's a piece of wood. Decorative piece of wood. And why the hell couldn't you do something like that and sell them?
Language.
Huh?
There's just so many people doing them. Is that one of them foam things? Now, the one thing we did end up getting from this thrift shop was this Carolina Tar Heel wall hanging. It was for my son. He had a birthday that was coming up, and Carolina is one of his favorite teams. This was almost perfect. Yes. Well, is there any more places out this way? I'm sure there is. See anything else?
I could hold this and give it to Jacob for his birthday. Part of it as his birthday.
No, I'm ready.
Use that strap instead of that.
Well, guys, we really appreciate you joining us for our trip to Abby and Bella's in Coates, North Carolina. If you're looking for a really clean thrift shop and a fun place to visit and that small town feeling, this is definitely it. If you're near Coates, swing by. I think you'll really like it. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.